Meaning of high and tight.
High and tight.
High and tight.
High and tight.
High and tight. High and tight is a military term used to describe a particular type of haircut that is commonly worn by service members. It typically involves shaving the sides and back of the head very short, while leaving the hair on top slightly longer. The result is a clean, low-maintenance look that is easy to maintain even in the most rugged of environments. Additionally, a high and tight is often associated with discipline and professionalism, as it is a standard part of the military dress code. Overall, a high and tight is a practical and stylish choice for anyone who values low-maintenance grooming.